Grabe, no? So say for example, if 40 million yung presyo ng isang sasakyan, na if you are going to share that one to individual Filipinos, at least 40 katao, 40,000 katao, 40 million katao, bibigyan mo ng 1,000,000. You're not just helping the people. You're helping the Philippines. Kaso dahil sa kasakriman you, kaya ayan, binabaha tayo. Napapangit niyo. You are such an expert, a pro robbers and thieves of the country Philippines. Nakakahiya kayo, nakakagalit kayo. Alam niyo ba? Nakakagalit kayo. Robbers of the Philippines, and you're flexing your wealth. Wealth na nakaw. Mayano mo kayo sa balat niyo. Ang gabadad niyo. Yung trillion na yan, if you have only shared that to Filipinos, at least may tagwa 1 million ng isang Filipinos. Okay? 1 million. Okay, say for example, we have multi-trillion monies. Trillions of pesos. 1 million for each individual Filipinos. May sukli pa po kayo. 3 yun eh. So yung sukli niyo, ano dapat niyong gawin? Ilagay niyo sa dapat na kalalagyan. Nakakahiya kayo. Nakakahiya kayo. You're the BS. Karma will be on your way. Yes? Magwaldas pa kayo ng pera ng bansa. Magwaldas pa kayo ng pera ng bansa. Please. Dahil bukas, aabutin kayo ng karma. Alam niyo ba yun? Robbers. Robbers, robbers, robbers. Thieves of the Philippines. Thieves. You're thieves of the Philippines. You're thieves of the Philippines.